Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Holy Stone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 2K FHD Camera for adults, Quadcopter with brushless motor, auto return home. Follow me. 26 minutes flight time, long control range, includes carrying bag. 2K FHD camera with image stabilization. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 2048x1152p high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5G FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle. GPS-assisted intelligent flight. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. Configuration upgrade. The intelligent battery works for 26 mins for each charge. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. Simple operation. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes great effect when GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions like one key start-stop, emergency stop, altitude hold and safe light keep it simple to control for even beginners. Considerate controller. The control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches to 3,000 feet high range. Battery level and GPS signal shown on the LED screen. A button to turn on or off the drone light is added. Right-hand throttle mode is available for left-hander. Remember to remove the scratch-proof film from the controller and the camera before use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.